Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What I'd like to talk to you today about is screenhouses, greenhouses, the indoor grow, the outdoor grow, which is better. Hey, it's 2018. So far, Steve Geddes has grown a 2,528 pound giant pumpkin, new North American record. Barlow and Jacobs have grown a 2283, second in the world so far. The weigh-offs aren't completed, but hey, we're looking really good. Both those pumpkins were grown outside. Now, a lot of the giant pumpkin growing community was convinced that the inside was the only way to go. Somebody in a greenhouse is going to do it. But what's going on with the greenhouses, a lot of people don't realize, is making them permanent. It's a permanent greenhouse. What the ideal greenhouse, in my opinion, would be a convertible. It's kind of what I've designed here, is a convertible greenhouse where you can pull the plastic and screen off. Some people aren't even using screens. Mine is an insect screen, which allows better airflow. Other people are using plastic, some even double-walled plastic with dead air space in the middle. The problem with that is you're losing sunshine. We're getting a lot of cloudy weather, especially in the Michigan, Wisconsin, Midwest. I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but when it clouds up, what happens is plants need 50% of the sun's intensity for 100% production. So if you get a cloudy day where the plants are only getting 50% of the sun, and you're under this plastic, which also steals another 20%, 15 to 20% of your sun is stolen from that. And then a screen, my screen over here is an insect screen, which I prefer. It gives you wind and hail protection. And here it is, I'll show it to you, the screen. Wind and hail protection, but it lets the rainwater through, it lets the air through, much healthier environment. I even have the screen down here on my skirt. It's turned green here with a little bit of algae or whatever, mold, algae, but it still allows airflow. Airflow is very important. You don't want to restrict your airflow, which pulls the air, the flowing air pulls the air out of the leaf, makes a healthy growing environment. You got to have good airflow. So anyways, there you go. Convertible greenhouse. If you're going to build one, I highly recommend that you go with a screen on the skirt. What you can do on cloudy weeks, you can open it up. You can say, okay, it's going to cloud up on me. You can open your convertible. At night, you can pull it back over and keep that 60 to 65 degree ideal night. That's what it's all about, warmer nights. I truly believe if these outside pumpkins would have been grown in a convertible greenhouse, they probably would have been 200 pounds bigger. That's just my opinion. Not knocking their grow. They did a great job. Awesome grows. But I just believe that with warmer nights, although see the weather this year, we had the warmer nights. See, it's all contingent on the weather. With the warmer nights, but you're not going to get that every year. You're going to have years with the cooler nights. That's going to hurt you if you're growing completely outside. That's why the convertible screenhouse / greenhouse would be the way to roll. All right, I'm not going to get too long-winded here. I just wanted to explain it to people. If you're building new screenhouses, consider a convertible instead of having yourself locked into being under 6 mil hot plastic. I think the climate change with under plastic is going to be a problem for a lot of people. Check out the insect screens. Ludwig Swenson sells some very good ones. They're pricey, but they last. This screen here you're looking at, over 10 years old. This screen has really served me well. All right, you can reuse them. They're good for like 10 years. We'll talk to you later, man, but keep them growing. And remember, come to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com in Mark's Mixes. We have 6 different products that you can grow all your vegetables, cucumbers, tomatoes, your edible plants, not just for giants. You can grow most anything with Mark's Mixes. So please join us at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Membership opens December 1st. Come get a bronze membership. I'm running specials for members. Re-entering members will get a discount. Nice discount for everyone. Talk to you soon. And don't you grow no ugly pumpkins.